Hello beautiful viewers, welcome to Hussein Academy. In my today's video I am going to explain about mean continuous series. Formula of direct method mean is sigma fm by n and shortcut method formula is a plus sigma fd by n. Mean continuous series. Question is from the following data compute arithmetic mean by direct and shortcut method. 0 to 10, 10 to 20 is the identification of continuous series. Direct method mean formula is mean is equals to fm by n. Mean is equals to fm by n. Keeping the formula in mind, here I am preparing a table. In marks, class intervals will be written. In midpoint, mid values will be taken out. Number of students, frequency will be written, and in FM, frequency will be multiplied with mid values. Here I am writing class intervals from the question 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Formula for calculating midpoint is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 0 plus 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is 15. 25, 35, 45, 55. We have to write the middle values. Now frequency 5, 10, 25, 30, 20, 10. The second line from the question is frequency. For calculating FM, we have to multiply midpoint with frequency. 5 5s are 25. 15 10s are 150. 25 into 25, 625, 1050, 900, 550. Now do the sum of frequency, will get n is equals to 100. Do the sum of FM, will get 3300. 3300. The formula of mean shortcut method is mean is equals to fm by n. The sum of fm is 3300 and the sum of frequency is 100. Divide both the numbers. 3300 by 100 will get 33. Here we are done with the direct method. Now calculation of mean shortcut method. First I am writing here class intervals from the question, first line 0 to 10, 10 to 20. After class intervals, mid values will be added in the next column. We have seen how to calculate mid values in the direct method 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. After mid values, frequency. The second line of the question will be frequency 5, 10, 25, 30, 20, 10. The sum of frequency will be n is equals to 100. Calculation of D, m minus a. We can take any number from the mid values. I have taken the smallest number 5 as assume mean. 5 minus 5, 0. 15 minus 5, 10. 25 minus 5, 20. 30, 40, 50. Now calculation of FD. Multiply frequency with D. 5 zeros are 0. 10 tens are 100. 500, 900, 800, 500. The sum of FD will be 2800. The formula of mean in shortcut method is mean is equals to A plus sigma FD by n. Mean is equals to A plus sigma FD by n. A is 5 plus sigma FD, the sum of FD is 2800 divided by n, 100. Mean is equals to 5 plus 2800 divided by 100 will get 28. Mean is equals to 5 plus 28. The answer is 33. Answer of both direct and shortcut method are same. If you like my video, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching my videos.